Hi, I'm Henry Segerman. This is Coiled 15 puzzle. So this is a variant of the classic sliding block puzzle where you have a 4x4 grid of tiles. One of them is missing, and that allows you to slide the tiles around and rearrange their ordering. So the difference with this, of course, is that the puzzle is coiled around onto a cylinder. And this came out of a discussion with Oscar van der Venter thinking about screw motion. So in the classic 15 puzzle on the square grid, all of the tile motions are just translations. Here, instead of translation, we have screw motion, actually two different screw motions up and around the cylinder. The interesting thing about this thing, other than the mechanical construction, is the puzzle itself. So in the classic version, or at least the version that was popularized by Sam Lloyd, the puzzle is to rearrange these numbered tiles into order. And so here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then the last two tiles are in the wrong order, 15 and 14. And it turns out that for the standard version of this, it's unsolvable. It's impossible to rearrange the order of just those two tiles. There's a parity argument. However, in this version, there's an extra move you can do. You can slide the one tile to the 16 space, and it turns out that that extra move allows you to solve the puzzle. I will leave it to you to figure out how that makes a difference. This is Coiled 15 puzzle. Thanks for watching.